Hi guys. Okay, I know I look a little crazy, but I was not planning on filming today, and then I got this in the mail. These are my Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Let's open them up because I am excited. I had no intentions of filming today, but these came in the mail. So of course I ran down to my mailbox, like actually ran, and got these. I didn't even put makeup on or anything. I was just like, I need to see what's inside of these. I have to know now. That's what I was thinking in my mind. Okay, so we're cutting this open. If you are unfamiliar, Jeffree Star does mystery boxes. Usually he'll do 3 of them. I got 2 of them. We have some tissue paper. Okay, we have a little conspiracy order thing. A little weird. Then we have my order number. Now, if you are unfamiliar, he does mystery boxes, and his mystery boxes, these ones were the Black Friday and like Thanksgiving ones, the holiday ones technically. He did 3 tiers. He had a $20 one, which was the mini, and then a premium, which was $60, and then a deluxe, which was $100. I did not get the deluxe. I got the mini and the premium. Let's start with the mini. Now, if you don't know the drama behind these, he kind of, when they did the poster, he said that these would include a limited edition makeup item, and they don't. They include limited edition stickers. So everybody who purchased a mini mystery box did get refunded for them. And yeah, so technically I paid $60 for both boxes. Sorry, my cat is behind me. She's loving playing with this new backdrop, but she just scratched me. So technically I paid $60 for both mystery boxes. The mini was free. Well, let's just jump right into it. So it will have, so you open it up and this is what it looks like. This is the box, by the way, super, super cute. But this is what it looks like. We have some green tissue paper, and I see the products, which I am super, super excited. The first product we have is the stickers, and if I'm not mistaken, these are in all of the boxes, but these are what they look like. And the reason these are so cool, he said, because these were drawn by the same artist who did the conspiracy palette. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what I'll use these for, however, I will, figure it out. So we have those, and then we have 2 makeup items. Let's just pull out the first one, which is a lip scrub. I'm super excited about this. This is the lip scrub in, what's that? Lemon Sucker. Ooh. So it looks like this. Super, super neon packaging. Let's open it up. It looks like this. I have one of his lip scrubs already. Oh my gosh, that smells such, oh my gosh. It smells like a lemon head. So this is what it looks like. It smells absolutely amazing. Let's just do a little taste test here. Tastes like a lemon sucker. Oh yeah, tastes like a lemon head. Just not sour. I like that. That is really good. Okay, I am super excited about that. Oh my goodness. And then we have a liquid lipstick in 818, which is a shade I don't have. So let's open this up. I'm super, super excited. Okay, so it looks like this, and 818 is an area code that he used to live in, so. Oh, very, very pretty. That's the shade right there. Very, very nice. I love that shade. It's absolutely stunning. So that is everything we got in the mini mystery box. We did get stickers, a velour lip scrub, and a velour liquid lipstick. Let's move on to the premium box. So the premium box is a little bigger, and it looks like this. Again, love the packaging. And this one was $60. Now, let's see what's inside. I am excited. I tried to get the big one, however, by the time I, went to go check out everything, it was sold out. So that was a little bit of a bummer, but that is okay. Let's open this up. Come on, Why? Oh, there we go. So we open up, and this is what it looks like. Super, super exciting. So we have tissue paper, more tissue paper, and stickers, which these look to be the exact same ones. Again, I don't know what I'll do with these. If you guys are interested in these stickers, let me know down below. Maybe I'll include them in a future giveaway, but I'm not sure. And then we have two more liquid lipsticks. This one is the Holiday Mystery shade, and this one is in Queen Supreme. Neither of these shades are shades I have, obviously, because this one is the Holiday Mystery shade. Let's open this up. I am excited. Ooh, okay. Look at that, you guys. It's a red, but it's like a metallic red. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Look at that. I am so excited for that. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. And then we have Queen Supreme, which if you don't know, his liquid lipsticks retail for $18. So I totally think that these mystery boxes are worth it because you do get your money worth. Okay, so I had this one at one point and I think I used it all up because I used it as eyeliner. But this is Queen Supreme and it is a very, very pretty purpley pink. It's like a pastel-y purple. That shade right there, absolutely stunning. I love his liquid lipstick formula and I am so excited to have received this. Next we have, ooh, okay, this is a Liquid Frost, and this is from the Blue Blood collection, and I didn't get this. This is the Liquid Frost in Blue Balls. Now, let's open this up. I don't own any of his Liquid Frosts, so I am like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open this up. Oh my gosh, I love that packaging, and if I'm not mistaken, there is a special way to use these. I just don't know. Okay, yeah, so this is the dropper. Oh, I did a lot. Oops. Okay. Well, I put a little too much on my hand, but oh my goodness. I want that smeared all over my body. That is what it looks like. Like I just said, I want that smeared all over my body. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. I'm so excited. That is just so pretty. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette, which, if I'm not mistaken, it looks like the Blue Blood. Oh yeah, it definitely 110% is. Now, that's really cool to have received this in the box. However, if you don't know, I do own the Blue Blood. I own all of Jeffree Star's eyeshadow palettes, but that is pretty cool to receive. Let me grab mine and I will show you what it looks like. This is Blue Blood. It's got a little clasp. And you open it up and it looks like this. I'm not going to do swatches because I did do a whole dedicated video on this eyeshadow palette. If you guys want to see it, I will have it linked down below. But that is everything we got in the Jeffree Star mystery box, and I am insanely excited. Like, look at these lip shades. And then we got this highlighter, which is gorgeous. And then an eyeshadow palette, which I will throw into a future giveaway for one of you guys. And then a Liquid Frost. Some really cool stickers that I'm not sure what I'll do with them. I might include them in the giveaway. That is everything. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think this was worth the price? I personally do. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics and I love his products. I'm super excited to have some more. That is everything. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.